Hmm? Beyonce, is this you?
Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with Me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, I'm back with another simple recipe that I'm definitely sure you're going to love it once you try it out. We are making some chicken curry, and with me I have my ingredients. So from this corner, I have some onions, capsicum, my coriander leaves. I also have my coriander stems, garlic, some tomatoes, and tomato paste. And this tomato paste and the tomatoes, once they combine, they are going to form a very big curry. So you definitely want to include that. I have some cooking oil. For the list of spices, use more of what you like and leave out what you do not. So today's options are some curry powder because you're definitely making a curry. I have some chicken masala because that's my favorite, and I have some Rico powder because that's also another good thickening agent. And finally, I have my chicken. And these are three different recipes, so that's why they look totally different from the other. And I've also gone ahead to cut them like this, ndivyo mautamu pia ingie na huko ndani. And without further ado, let's get started. So once my pot is hot and dry, I'll go in with about 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. And once that is hot enough, I'll go in with my onions. So I'm going to saute my onions till they start turning translucent. Then I'll go in with my next ingredient. And in the meantime, tell me why I share my recipes for free, but you cannot share with that person. So you definitely know my delicious recipes. So in the meantime, as we wait for this to become how I like them, I will share this with a friend. And it's that easy. So this is just how I like them. I'll go in with my other ingredients and I'll go in with all this. So we need to cook this till the tomatoes become like a paste. So I'm going to spread this evenly. Then I'll cover this for about a minute and I'll see you once my tomatoes are well broken down. So at this point, I'll go in with my spices. Then you can see this is very big because we've added our spices. So I'm going to loosen this up with some water. And you can already see we have a very big, nice paste. I'll add some more. So we are making a curry and then we are going to insert our chicken inside the curry because our chicken is well done. We need to make a base that we're going to insert our chicken so that they can all have almost the same flavor. So I'm going to cover this and give it about 2 or so minutes. So by now I'm sure that the tomato paste and the tomatoes and the garlic are all well done. So at this point you can adjust your curry accordingly. I'm going to add just a few ml of water. Then now I'm going to let this simmer so that we can dip our chicken. So this is perfect. I'll start by adding my capsicum. I did not want them soft today, so I'll start by adding that. Then I'm immediately going to add in my chicken, and I'm going to add the mautamu side down first, like that, like that. Then I'll reduce the heat to low. Then I'm going to let this soak in this goodness for a couple of minutes, about 2 or 3 minutes, so that pia kuku ireheat huko ndani because it's cold by now. Then I'll be back to turn it. This is like 2 minutes later. Then I'm also going to give this other side about a minute. So finally this should be okay. And I'm now going to go in with my coconut cream. Switch that off. And that's it. So you can see how delicious this looks. So I'm going to give it about a minute so that everything can blend in, and in the meantime let's get started on our serving. And as you've seen, it was that easy. So I've served mine with some ugali. You can definitely have this with rice, but I personally think that rice and chicken is just a waste of food. I'll start with the sauce. Tastes amazing. Wow. Wow. Beyonce, is this you? Wow. So as you've seen, it was that easy, and you can also notice that we did not add some salt because the chicken was well seasoned with salt. If I told you it's not going to be well seasoned with salt, you can definitely add. So that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.